welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Chev and I post budgeting videos along with some lifestyle videos. And currently, I'm doing a two-part series along with Jazz from Budget Treasures. We'll be discussing how to stay on budget during the holiday season. She'll be discussing shopping tips as far as using coupons and how to save while you're out there shopping. I'm going to be covering some DIY Dollar Tree decor. So if you haven't already, go over to her channel right now. I put all the information down below. Well, after you watch this video, please make sure you subscribe to her channel as well. So enough talking. If that's something that you're interested in, please continue watching. First things first, guys, in order to stay on this holiday budget, you have to plan ahead. Number one thing, create a Christmas budget. When creating your holiday budget, you want to decide how much you're going to spend. Keep in mind, your budget needs should include decorations, givings, your food, if you're going to be cooking, having family over, if you're going to be traveling. Also, you want to think about your shopping list, who and what you're going to be purchasing. So for my budget, I have a total of $1,000 that I'm going to be budgeting for. For my decorations, I'm going to be using majority of my ornaments from last year, and I decided to purchase a few extra ornaments to add to what I had last year. Also, I'm purchasing a wreath for my front door, so I have my decor budget at $100. Now I'm going to take a look at the food that I'm going to be purchasing for the holiday season. I normally go to a cookie exchange and I'm going to be setting aside $30 for the cookie bake, and food I'm going to be setting aside $45. That brings my Christmas food budget to $75. Third in my budget is giving. I'm going to be setting aside $20 to purchase canned goods for a local food drive. The next thing that's on this sheet is Christmas cards, travel, and other expenses. I'm going to go ahead and skip over this because I'm not going to be doing any Christmas cards. I'm not going to be traveling. I'm going to be local this holiday season. And other expenses, I don't have any other expenses at this moment. So on the next sheet here is my shopping list. So for my shopping list, I have a total of $625 in this category. So after adding everything up, my total is $820. I still have a remaining of $180. What I'm gonna do is just leave that open till I decide where I'm gonna put the $180 towards. So now that you have your Christmas budget prepared, next I'm gonna be showing you how to create a DIY decor using Dollar Tree items. So the items that I'm using for this DIY is this large silver bell, the red large bow, glue gun, glue sticks, scissors, and this ribbon I had from last year. I believe I made a Halloween wreath with this ribbon. So altogether, this DIY is $2, I believe. As you can see here, the ribbon is a little narrow. So what I did was I just cut them in half and I glued them together to make the ribbon more wider. So this can be used as an ornament. You can place it on your fireplace. Here I have this on my bar cart. Also, you can even place it on your front door. So I forgot to mention earlier that I did purchase this wire ribbon also from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm doing here is just folding this over a couple of times. I'm gonna be making like a large bow. I think I folded over about 4 times. So I went ahead and tied that around in a knot. Then I took the glue gun and went ahead and glued the bow down to the top of the bell. And this pick here is also from the Dollar Tree. I had a little piece of that checkered ribbon left over. So what I did was I just kind of added it somehow there. But I mean, you can do without this. You don't necessarily need this. I just figured these little pieces were left, so might as well just try to use them. FYI, you want to lay something down on your countertop or find a place in your home where you don't mind it being like a lot of glitter everywhere. And that's the only thing about these, well, just Christmas decor in general. It's like so much glitter. So you don't want to get this glitter like all over. So lay something down before you start this project. So that's it, guys. This completes the Dollar Tree DIY. Hopefully this video has given you some ideas on how to create your budget, how to stick to your budget, and also give you some examples on some inexpensive DIY decor. Also, don't forget to head over to Budget Treasures channel, where she'll be giving tips on how to shop with coupons. I'll catch you guys in a later one. Bye.